Hello and welcome to another episode of Unboxing Things. In today's episode, we're going to be looking at this present that I got from Burberry. Now, I'm not sure what's inside this package, but you guys already know because you have seen the thumbnail, so don't spoil the surprise for me, alright? Paper bag. Feels really nice in the hands. The material's really sturdy, as per usual, as expected from Burberry. Nice gold foil down the front with embossing. Very cool. And two very complex logos with nice sharp lines. Very nice. At the bottom it says London, England, and I presume, yep, it's the same as the other side. On the sides of the bag, not much details. And on the bottom, oh, wow, I didn't expect this here. On the bottom there's a little logo that says mix packaging from responsible sources, and then there's some certification number. Very nice. Pull out the package, the main package itself. Very nice. And we can set this down right here beside. Whoa, it doesn't even fold flat. This is surprising. It turns out that the Burberry paper bag doesn't actually fold flat. There's no way to just fold it into your typical shape, which is to fold it down this way. But if you look at it, you can see that there's no fold mark here nor here. I'm very surprised. Let's open this up. First up, there's a card. Oh, interesting. The card is a different brown from the Burberry box itself. This Burberry box is the color that I'm more used to than this one. Pretty interesting. And if you look at the logo down here on the bottom, it says Burberry, London, England, but with the more recent, more modern looking font. Let's open this up. Whoa, look at that card. So there's a handwritten letter in here. I'm gonna mosaic it out, but as far as the material of the letter itself goes, there is gold foil right up here. Very nice, very fancy looking. Same goes for the bottom right here. Wow, look at that. The stock of the paper is very sturdy. Very nice. Let's put it back. Let's put the handwritten letter back in here. And finally, let's get to the main event. Wow, very exciting. Green color ribbon. We're gonna take this ribbon off. I wonder if this ribbon is the exact same length as the other ribbon that we just took off from the top of the bag. No, it looks like they cut it manually as per required. That's very interesting. Let's set that aside here. And let's check out the main event. As per usual, embossed. And as per usual, there is the packaging from responsible sources at the bottom of the box. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! It's wrapped in paper. Very exciting, very mysterious. Let's. Oh no, I made a hole in the wrapping paper. In fact, damn you Burberry! You and your smart packaging that prevents me from keeping this sticker. Alright, okay, so this is what the sticker looks like. Very nice. And let's get down to the main event, finally. What is it? Whoa! The Burberry. Is this a tie? Oh my gosh, is this a tie? No, it's not a tie. Is this a... What is this? I'm not sure what this is just yet, but look at that. Look at that material. Holy crap, it looks so nice. So looking at the tag on the opposite side of the scarf, I can see that this is made by Burberry, 160 by 8 cm, made in Italy, and the outer material is 100% silk. Very cool. On one side, we see the Burberry vintage check design. Very cool. 160 cm long, and on the other side we can see the Burberry London England text. Very cool. It feels really nice in the hands, and the material that it's made from feels very premium. All in all, I think this silk scarf feels really nice in the hands, and the color is vibrant and very pretty in real life. especially this side of the scarf. I think this side of the scarf looks and feels super premium. Very nice. Alright guys, so that has been my quick look at the Burberry skinny silk scarf. If you guys enjoyed this video, please don't hesitate to hit that like button. It does let us know that you enjoy the content and does let the YouTube algorithm monsters know that this is a video that other people should see as well. Until next time, this has been Unboxing Things, and we'll talk to you again in the next one.